Today we're making Snickerdoodles. Pause here for the recipe. First, take a quarter cup of sugar and 2 teaspoons of cinnamon and mix it up in a bowl and then set it aside for the coating later. Then grab your butter and sugar and mix it till it creams in your creamer. Then add a regular egg or egg whites and vanilla. Mix it again. Throw in your baking soda, salt, cream of tartar, and flour, and mix till it's all blended. Towards the end, I like to throw my blender in high to get the dough to stick to itself. It should look something like this. Next, grab your lined baking sheets, and I take my little cookie scooper, I scoop out some dough, roll it into a ball, and then roll that ball around in the cinnamon sugar mix. Place it on your cookie sheet 2 inches apart, they will spread. Then put them in your oven at 350 for 13 minutes. Don't forget to turn the pan halfway and enjoy.